Hi guys, and welcome to Cultnomics. My name is Paul Hanley, and today I'm going to be chatting to you about calculating inelastic demand. Okay guys, so in this example here we're going to look at inelastic demand, and in the case of inelastic demand what we're going to have is a relatively steep demand curve. So in this case here I'm going to draw the demand curve relatively steep like this. I am going to label it demand. We're going to take the same example as in the previous video where we have a company such as a bus company that's charging €1 for a ticket. So we'll start off with our €1 price. And in the last example, we said that the ticket price went up to €1.10. So we're going to take that exact same example here. For €1 in the previous video, we had 100 customers. In this case here, we're going to say that the bus company is running and operating these buses on a day that's quite bad, it's raining, in which case when the price goes up to €1.10, well, the majority of people still use this bus service, which means that the quantity demanded decreases relatively less than in the previous video, and we're going to say that it only decreases to 95. So 95 people still take this bus at the higher price. Okay, we will label these then. We will say that the starting price is P1, €1. The €1.10 is P2, where it goes to. And we'll also say that the starting quantity is 100, Q1, and that goes to 95, Q2. We will write out the elasticity formula again, which is price elasticity of demand is equal to percentage change in quantity demanded, all divided by the percentage change in price. So what we're going to do is write that out in longhand, and we will say that the quantity 2 minus quantity 1 is all divided by quantity 1, and that's multiplied by 100. We do the same below the line. So what we're going to see here is that we have P2 minus P1 all divided by P1, and again we multiply that by 100. And if you've seen the last video, what you will have seen is that the hundreds here we can cancel out above and below the line, and we can make that formula a small bit shorter for ourselves. So Q2 in this case is going to be, if we look at our graph, 95. So we can put in our information 95 minus Q1, which we know is 100. So we put that in, and that's all divided by 100. Below the line then, what we're going to see is that the price level at P2 we've already seen is €1.10, and the price 1 is €1, and that's all divided by €1, P1 in this case. So 95 minus 100 is going to give us minus 5, and that's still divided by 100. And below the line, €1.10 minus €1 gives us 10 cents, and that is all divided by 1. So what do we end up with here? Well, we have minus 0.05, that's 5 divided by 100, and that's all over 0.1. So what do we work out our elasticity to be? Dividing one by the other gives us minus 0.5. So this product here is price elasticity of minus 0.5. I hope you call back to Cultnomics soon. Bye for now.